Start investing in 2025 with ChatGPT, your personal AI financial advisor. Are you ready to take control of your financial future in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, ChatGPT is here to help you navigate the world of investing with confidence and ease. In this video, we'll show you how ChatGPT can guide you step by step in making smarter investment choices and building a stronger portfolio. From understanding stock markets to diversifying your investments, ChatGPT can be your go-to advisor in the financial world. What you'll learn. 1. Investment basics for beginners. ChatGPT explains complex financial terms in simple language, making investing easy for anyone to understand. 2. Smart investment strategies. Learn how ChatGPT helps you identify trends, analyze stocks, and pick the right investment strategies for 2025. 3. Risk management. How ChatGPT can help you assess risk and build a balanced portfolio to safeguard your wealth. 4. Using AI to track your portfolio. ChatGPT can also help you track your investments, suggest improvements, and keep you up to date with market trends. Why you should start investing now with ChatGPT. 1. Instant expert advice. ChatGPT offers personalized recommendations 24/7, so you never miss an opportunity. 2. Time saving. Get the latest financial insights quickly without hours of research. 3. Confidence boosting. ChatGPT helps demystify investing, allowing you to make informed decisions without the stress. Don't wait, start investing with ChatGPT today. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your financial future and empower yourself with AI. Subscribe to Think AI, do more for more actionable AI tips that will make your life easier and smarter. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to dive deeper into. We're here to help you succeed in your investment journey. Share this video with friends and family. Let's spread the power of smart investing with AI together. Already ready to invest? Check out our other videos on AI and finance to learn more about how you can use AI to grow your wealth. Stay ahead of the curve, start investing smarter with ChatGPT.